Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today's video, I am going to show you guys how to make a fall wreath. I know it is in the middle of fall, but I would love people to see how to make a wreath, because you don't only necessarily have to make a wreath when it is fall or winter. It could be spring, it could be summer. You also could use wreath making during the other holidays, and honestly, a lot of people sell these wreaths. So don't just discourage yourself to only make them during the holiday season. Make them during other holidays as well. But before we get into this video is a collaboration with Wanda over from Miss Amechi. Her link will be in my description box down below, so be sure to check that out, because she's going to be showing you how she's going to be making a wreath as well. But we wanted to go ahead and show you guys a fall wreath, so let's just jump into it. So I'm going to show you guys deep down what's in my bag to get started. So I do have like a this size wreath, and I do have this size. So I think that since fall is like one of those quicker times, I'm gonna make it really quick, sweet and simple by using the smaller one. Also, you need some ribbon. This is a great color for fall. You can also use tulle, which is something similar like this. This is something that has glitter on it. I really don't prefer the glitter, but it is what it is. You also need like some other different ribbons. So from last year, I still have these little cable ties. These came in a 100-pack, and they're teeny, and that is just the size that I need. I did save some of the ribbon that I had from last year, and so I have a bunch of different little things that I can use. I also have this I can put on there. So I have these little clips here that I can use if I choose to. These are the, what are these, the maple wreaths. And then, like I said, I have gold tulle. I have like a gold leaf. I have this pumpkin that I clearly can hot glue to it. And then from there, the rest of it is my Christmas wreath making stuff. So I have all of my decor I need to get started. So you're simply just going to pinch towards the middle, and you're going to use the cable ties to tie them onto your wreath ring. And so I just used the fake burlap around the circle ring, 2 on each side, and then I'm just going to fill it in with the other pieces that I have. I also have an extra clip of another wreath that I'm going to add in, and that is a breast cancer wreath, just to show you all that you can get different designs of wreath rings from the dollar store. I highly recommend that you cut the ends of your ribbon before putting it onto the actual wreath, because it's easier to just go ahead and cut it faster, and then you won't have to worry about cutting it once it's on your wreath. The one thing I will say is make sure you're cutting the back of the cable ties down towards the edge once you are either starting to do the wreath, or you can do it towards the end and just snip them all at one time. So I'm just deciding to go ahead and turn on my hot glue gun, because I'm going to hot glue this piece right here that I got from the dollar spot and Target onto my wreath. I'm also going to hot glue this pumpkin that I had got from the Dollar Tree, and I'm going to just hot glue it on. I'm also going to add on the orange and the gold leaf, as these just clip on and can always be taken off and used at another time. And here's the breast cancer wreath that I said I was going to show you all. This ring for the ribbon was bought at the dollar store, and simply you just take and pinch through the middle. That way the outside pieces are pointing towards the left and the right. You then just put it on using the cable ties, and then you can work your way all the way around. So what I'm doing is putting white on the outside only, and then putting pink in the middle. This is called mesh, and yes, it gets very stringy, it gets very messy. Just make sure you have a vacuum so that you can get this stuff up once you're done. So I'm going to continue to do the white around the outside, and then I'm going to do the pink on the inside, and just call it a day on this ribbon, because I don't have anything to add to it to glue on like I did with the other one. And with mesh, I don't think it'd be a great idea to hot glue it onto here. But here's the ending result. Thanks for watching, and check out Mr. Mechi's link in my description box down below.